Hello guys, I'm Pragati Patel. I'm working in Sourceway as a Reactjs developer. So today we will solve a problem in array, state array. So we have to remove the 8 in this given array. So how can we remove? Let's see. So, firstly, we have a state, array state that have a given array, and we have already a button that is delete 8. So, whenever we will click and delete 8, so in this array, 8 will be deleted. So, what will we do here? So, firstly, I made a function that is handle delete. So in this delete function, we will make a copy variable like temp, and we will spread here the array, and we will perform all the function in this temp. So temp dot, we have a method that is splice, and we should have to give here the index, and 8 it on what index it will be again. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So here we will give the index and how much element we should have to delete here. So one, only one, that is 8. Okay, so we will set this temp in the set array variable. Temp. Okay, let's see. So here is the method that is this splice that can be helped for the removing the particular element from the state array. Okay, thank you.